author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
So, types of change, and I'm sure it will make sense to you the moment I say this. It's just simply system and process.
Okay.
All right? So, and it's not necessarily in that particular order. But what about people? That would be a type of change. Well, it depends on whether or not you want to include people as a system, as a system itself, or a person as a system. Because inside of each person, you have an infinite number of processes which are running. Okay, but the person, him or herself, is still a system. So whether or not we're talking organisationally or biologically, system and process would still be the two fundamental areas of change that you have to consider. You have a system. Within that system, there are 4 subsystems. Within each of the 4 subsystems, there might be other subsystems. In order to make that system functional, they need processes. Okay, so you have processes within each of the system. Okay, if you consider that you have systems within systems, but in order for that system to function, it has to have a process to run it. It's the same as you opening up Task Manager. I don't know, do you use PC or Mac?
PC.
PC. Okay, so if you right click on the bottom of your screen and then just click on Task Manager, not actually now, you'll be able to click on what systems are running on the on your PC right now. So you might have Skype as being a system, but there will be processes as well within that system. Are there certain processes that need to be upgraded and replaced? And what's the thinking behind that? And certainly from a financial perspective, it's going to be highly pertinent, because this is where you get someone in operations going to you, they knock on your door, and I've been there and I've seen it happen. They will knock on the door and say, we need to upgrade, not the ERP necessarily, which would be a ridiculous amount of investment, but this system within this department. Okay, how much is that going to cost? Well, probably over the course of the next year, 150 grand. How would you define a system, therefore? What is a system? And what's its relationship with other systems?
A system is in the context of what you're saying here, it's a collection of processes.
Yeah, good. You recognise that?
Yeah. It's a collection of processes in order to achieve a collective goal of getting from A to B. Good.
I refer to this as just a container, because it has to contain that process. And it needs to be a watertight container, which means that the process can't escape. If it escapes, then you get leakage, and you get bugs, and you get infections and disease.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.